Where did you come from?
We had not seen this dog before.
Hi. I'm going
The assumption was that he had been abandoned near our house.
Hi. Do you want me to come to you? No? Okay. It's okay, honey.
We couldn't bring him inside because he was so shy and skittish, but he did stay on our porch, so we would go check on him.
I let my son Carter come out. Him and my son just bonded so quickly. Their bond really helped Ryder come out of his shell.
Okay. I'll keep rubbing. Oh my goodness.
We decided to take him to the vet.
Here you go. Look, there's another one right here. He does not like cars. It's okay. What? It's okay. I don't want him to be scared. Good job. You lay down. Good job. You lay down. So he doesn't seem to like cars very well. All right. We're headed to the vet.
It looks like he's about 5 months old.
Okay. And he didn't have a chip in him.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you want it, honey?
We in no way were prepared for a dog, but he was meant for us and we needed to be his home.
All right. Well, we're headed home with our new puppy now.
He had a hard time coming inside at first. He didn't like the door.
Come on, honey. You can come inside.
Close the door.
Ryder.
He loves playing with the kids.
Y'all were racing.
Hi.
Who won? Ryder won. That's very sweet.
And he is so good to me. He really is just the perfect addition. We just have to continually show him that he is loved here, part of the family, right? Yeah? Yeah.
Ryder. Carter, can you give him a hug? Oh, Millie, are you giving him kisses?